Match the following columns and select the correct options. Pituitary gland. What is that pituitary gland? See, there's a correction you have to make. Either of these cannot be correct. One should be diabetes insipidus and the other should be diabetes mellitus. Okay. So there is some correction. That's why I have written like that. Then only you will be getting an answer. So thyroid, the pituitary is producing the ADH, and ADH is responsible for curing diabetes insipidus. So it should be 2. Okay. Then thyroid gland. When thyroid gland is producing excess hormone that cause Graves' disease, exophthalmic goiter. Adrenal glands, hyposecretion of aldosterone, Addison's disease, and pancreas. See, pancreas is responsible for the deficiency of the disease, cause diabetes mellitus. Okay, there can be only this one, so this may be an incorrect one. I think so.